In this video, you'll learn how to use the PC programming station for the Penny & Giles RNet control system to diagnose and monitor system functions. These functions make it possible to view system errors and observe operating values in real time. With the wheelchair connected and the parameter file loaded, select Tools, Diagnostics. A window appears showing all current system errors. In this example, no errors are present. To open the monitoring function, click Tools, System Tests, and select a module. Here, we select the joystick status. It allows us to monitor joystick movements in real time and ensure that it returns correctly to the neutral position. Other modules can be monitored in parallel, such as the Intelligent Seating Module ISM. This allows us to monitor the current draw of each actuator during adjustment. The outputs are displayed from channels 1 to 6. At the bottom of the ISM window, inhibits 4 and 5 are displayed. In Ottobock wheelchairs, inhibit 4 limits the wheelchair speed when the lift is extended. The reduction in speed ensures safe operation. Inhibit 4 switches between the states 0 and 3. 0 means the wheelchair can drive at full speed, while 3 indicates that the speed is reduced. If the state does not change, the limit switch that detects the lift, or its wiring, may be defective. Next, we look at the monitoring of the power module. Open it by selecting Tools, System Tests, PM Status. You can monitor the battery indicator, the battery voltage, and the current consumption while consumers, such as the drive motors, are operating. When the drive motors are running, the display shows how the battery voltage changes, as well as the control voltage applied to the motors and their current draw. Another monitoring option is the joystick module status, which shows the button switch states and the current speed setting display. If you encounter any issues, remember that the monitoring functions under Tools provide comprehensive analysis options. Diagnostics display the current errors. System logs track past errors. And system tests enable live analysis of system behavior.